Hello everyone, welcome back to Twoguysfinance channel. With talks of a recession, the big question is, where is your money safest and still growing? Today we're looking at the best Cowrywise investments during a recession, that is, when the economy slows down. During a recession, the goal is capital preservation and protection against inflation, especially naira depreciation. Cowrywise offers key options for this. First, consider the dollar mutual funds. You see, investing in dollar denominated assets helps shield your wealth from local currency devaluation and can appreciate as the dollar strengthens. Next are fixed income and money market funds. These are low-risk mutual funds that invest in government bonds and treasury bills, offering stable, guaranteed returns with minimal market volatility. So remember, diversification is your best friend in a downturn. Spread your risks across these safer assets. Don't chase high-risk stocks when stability is key. Stay smart, stay safe, and secure your financial future. Do not forget to subscribe and comment down below. See you in the next video.